Hello. So today I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I'm just doing one box. I know what this says. This is a piece of jewelry that I got from Silver Phantom Jewelry. Figured today was a perfect day to unbox it because I'm going to an Avril Lavigne concert. So let's check this out. This is the box. And inside it's kind of all packaged up. It's gorgeous. If you know me, then you know that I love rings. I love silver rings. I have a whole bunch. And this is my newest addition. So I think what I'm going to do with this one is I moved one of my rings to the second finger, and I think this will be perfect for my thumb. I like that it's pretty big and chunky, but it's also real silver, which is really important to me because I'll usually wear my rings right down till they break. Like, I will never take them off. So it's pretty important to me that they're not gonna turn my finger purple or blue or whatever, green. I like the details on it. So yeah, thank you, Silver Phantom Jewelry. I will be wearing this every single day. Thanks for watching. Bye.